In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track purchases on Kit. This is a quick process, but it is also a helpful one because it lets you confirm how a product is performing and review individual transactions in one place. As you follow along, make sure you are logged into your Kit account and viewing the main navigation. To get started, go to the Earn section. Earn is where Kit organizes information related to selling and revenue, so it is the best place to begin when you want purchase details. Once you are in Earn, click Products. This will take you to your product list, where you can find the specific offer you want to review. Next, locate the product you want to track, and click directly on the product name. Clicking the name opens the product details page, where Kit shows both high-level performance metrics and the underlying purchase activity. At the top of the product page, take a moment to review the summary metrics. You will see total sales and revenue displayed prominently. Total sales is a count of how many purchases have been completed for that product, while revenue reflects the total amount earned from those sales. If you are comparing performance over time, these top metrics give you a fast snapshot before you dig into individual transactions. After you have reviewed the totals, scroll down until you reach the Purchases tab. This is where you can track purchases at the transaction level. Open the Purchases tab to view the list of individual customer transactions associated with that product. This view is useful when you need to verify that a specific purchase went through, reconcile sales with your records, or simply understand buying activity beyond the top-line totals. As you review the purchases list, move steadily and double-check that you are still on the correct product page, especially if you manage multiple products that have similar names. If you ever notice the totals at the top do not match what you expected, the Purchases tab is the right place to confirm what has actually been recorded for that product. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.